Good morning, class. So, before we start our class, let us pray first. And may I request Mr. Baldonado to please lead us the prayer. So, thank you, Mr. Baldonado. Okay, class, before we start, I would like to introduce myself. I am Alvin John Villegas Mones, your teacher in mathematics. But you can call me Sir Alvin or Sir Mones. How's your day, class? It is good so far? Okay, that's good. So, let's check your attendance first. So, please go back to your proper seat and I will check your attendance. So, very good. No one is an absent for today. So, give 5 claps for yourself. Thank you. So, okay, class, please arrange yourself and your chair and pick up some trashes so that we can begin our lesson for today. So, as we start our class, I would like to introduce to you our rules and regulation. First rule, come to class on time. Second, be ready to learn. So, third, raise your hand to speak. And fourth, respectful of others. And last, work hard and have fun. So, do you agree with our rules and regulation, class? Okay, thank you, and that's good. So, okay, class, before we start, let's have some brain analysis or brain exercises. So, this exercise is called picture analysis. Okay, class, the first row will be the group 1, the second row will be the group 2, and the third row will be the group 3. So, okay, class, this is exercises is good for only 5 minutes. So, this is only 5 minutes. So, I will pause the picture and you will may start answering. So, are you done, class? Okay, so please pass your paper. Okay, very good, group 3. You got the correct answer. So, it is good that you have a certain idea about our topic for today. So, now, I will show you our learning outcomes. So, first, define parallelograms. Second, identify quadrilaterals that are parallelograms. Third, prove and apply properties of special parallelograms and use properties of special parallelograms to solve the problem. So, I will show the link below and please open it and answer the following question there. So it is good for only 15 minutes. Are you done, class? Okay, so for now, aside from our activity or aside from the picture analysis, what will you observe? Very good. The shape are square, rectangle, and the rhombus. So quadrilaterals that are parallelograms are the square, rectangle, and the rhombus. So for now, we can answer this question. What is parallelogram? Mr. Sinalindi, you can answer please. Very good. It is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. Then, the properties of parallelograms. Opposite sides are parallel. Second, opposite sides are equal. Third, opposite angles are congruent. Fourth, consecutive angles are supplementary. And the last, diagonals bisect each others. So, what is a square? class. So, anyone who can answer? Okay, Miss Pantoy. Thank you for that idea, answer Miss Pantoy. So, it is a parallelogram with four congruent sides and four right angles. So, now I will show you the properties of square. The properties of square. First, all four sides are congruent. Second, all angles are right angles. Third, each diagonal separates the square into two congruent triangles. And the fourth, opposite angles are congruent. And the fifth, consecutive angles are supplementary and congruent. And the last one is diagonals bisect each other are perpendicular and congruent. So, okay, next, what is rectangle? So, who can answer class? Okay, Miss Google. Any idea? Very good. It is a parallelogram with four angles. So, the properties of rectangles are first, opposite side are congruent. Second, opposite side are parallel. Third, each diagonal separates the rectangle into two congruent triangles. And fourth, opposite angles are congruent. Fifth, consecutive angles are supplementary. Sixth, all four angles are right angles. And last, diagonals bisect each other are congruent. Okay, the last special parallelograms is the rhombus. So, what is rhombus, class? Anyone? So, Ms. Riela, what is rhombus? Very good. It is a parallelogram with congruent sides. So, I will show you the properties of rhombus. All four sides are congruent. Second, opposite sides are parallel. Third, each diagonal separates the rhombus into two congruent triangles. And the fourth, opposite angles are congruent. Fifth, consecutive angles are supplementary. And the last, diagonal bisect each other are perpendicular. So, for that, let's have a video presentation so that you have a idea about our topic. So I will show you the link below and also the video. Okay, class, what do you observe about the video? Do you observe, class, that in solving or in finding the value of the special parallelograms, we need to base on their special properties. So to make it easier in finding the value of or in solving the special parallelograms, we need to memorize the properties of special parallelograms. So I will give you a exercises. So find the value of x. So this is this activity is good for only 15 minutes. So you have 15 minutes to answer this one. Finish, class? Okay. So I will give you a evaluation for um, checking if you learn if you have a learning about our topic. So you will see the link below. So please click the link below and answer the following question. This quiz is good for only 15 minutes. So please answer. So are you finished, class? Please pass. Okay, your 15 minutes is over. So again, I will show you the learning outcomes. First, define parallelograms. Second, identify quadrilaterals that are parallelograms. Third, prove and apply properties of special parallelograms. And the last is use properties of special parallelograms to solve the problem. So before that, I will give you an assignment. So you will take them this. So number one, explain why kite and trapezoid are not belong to special parallelograms. Number two, make a chart of quadrilaterals. So, okay, thank you for listening. And if you have a question, please question now. No one have a question? Okay, so that's all for the day class, and thank you for your participation and for your effort. So that's all for today. Goodbye.